Oh, there it is. Monday, October 27th, 2025. Welcome to the end of October. And I touched on this the other day, and I figured I haven't been making very many videos lately because most of the stuff I've been doing is kind of boring and monotonous and not very fun to do. So I've got a very not fun thing to do, and that's do some more grinding on the bottom of this boat. Trying to get this down to where I can fiberglass it. And so you got to grind all this stuff off like that off of here. So, and there's a few different ways you can do it. I prefer a nice aggressive grit like a 36, maybe even a 24. I think this is 36. There it is. And now you can come in with the edge and try to feather along there, but that kind of digs in and gouges. What you want to do is you want to get a lot of you want to get some pressure on this thing, get the disc kind of flattened out a little bit across there. So let's take a swing at that. All right, take our handy dandy grinder. Should have probably wore a hat too. But, gotta watch out for that. Be careful plugging this thing back in. Oh, and a little bit about this boat. It's a 14-foot Johnsen, Jonsen. It's got the emblem on it right down there, but it's kind of a lightweight fiberglass boat. You don't see too many of these left because they are so lightweight. They kind of tend to break, and they're flexible. The bottom kind of waffles and, you know, buckles a little bit, but they ride nice. It's a good little river boat, cheap. I got it for free and been running it for about 25 years, and well, until it sunk. And it sunk. I patched it. We shoved some bags in that little channel of the water, came in the back, went through the front, came up. So we patched it up, got it home, and I fiberglassed the bottom. We had it out a few more times, but I haven't had it out in the water since about 2012. So I'm going to fix it up and try to get it going this year. And it's probably the last of its kind. You're not gonna, I see them on the side of the road once in a while being thrown out in the trash, but not too many of them out on the water anymore.